It is called Likey, so... Oh, this is really funny with furry avatars. Yes.
Why not? It's fun. Might as well. At least this is the least unhinged one. Oh god. At least it was the lesser unhinged one. It's normal compared to.
Oh god. I forgot how expensive this Abby was until the chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah.
As soon as I saw the first pose, I nearly had a heart attack.
The second I saw the starting. Yeah, the second I saw the fucking starting pose, I was like, I know what this is. I know what I'm gonna get.
As soon as I saw the starting pose, I was like, well, people are gonna have fun with this one. As if people don't already have fun with this character.
That character has way too much art. Oh my god. Oh my god. I keep getting slapped in the face by your ears.
I keep getting slapped in the face by both of us.
No, I'm not complaining anymore. Never mind.
Oh my gosh.
Never mind. I don't have any complaints.
So expressive. You know, I'm fine with this not going on YouTube.
It's going to be unlisted where nobody can find it unless you have the link. Unless you either have the link or get lucky enough fucking guessing it, but nobody's guessing links to YouTube videos.
Legitimately, I wouldn't mind if you shared it though. It's just, they're very specific people.
The only person who's getting the fucking link would probably be you. Like, that's about it. Like most of the fucking videos that are unlisted. Why not? I might fucking, like, show them. I showed them a few videos on my YouTube channel and they thought they were cool. If I can find a Russia avatar that actually looks good, I swear to god I'm brushing my ass back here and definitely using that Abby for a few of these. Because, you know...
No, that's